making deep fried pickles.
Yo guys, what's up? Yeah, welcome back to another video. This is a little different this week. We're changing it up finally.
Finally?
Yeah, yeah,
Do
literally
something
finally.
new. We're not boring you anymore.
Yeah, so honestly, what we came up with is matching snacks. We're gonna make you guys some sick snacks so you guys can make at home. They're really easy. People think they're hard to make, but they're actually pretty darn easy. And you know, you get them at restaurants and stuff and that kind of shit.
With them.
Yeah, we're obsessed with them. So we're gonna make some deep fried pickles today, guys. Oh
You
yeah.
don't need to know our brands, but they're good picks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no way.
Oh, what a snap. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we got some pickle spears. You can buy them in spears. These are how we like our deep fried pickles.
I find they're good too because they're like, they get like juicy and just like, they're like, it's more like a snack, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like just like a little chip where you have like one and you want like 20 of them. Like,
Right.
you have one pickle spear and you're like, man, that's pretty good.
A cup of flour, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt. Garlic salt, not garlic powder.
Mix that shit up. Oh, yeah. Basically, what you want to do is you want to dry out the pickles. So you want to throw them on the, on that thing there. Yeah, yeah. So basically, Steph's going to lay those out. We got some oil heating right here. You want to get it to about like 375 Fahrenheit. Not too hot.
And you're like...
Oh, that's a big pickle. Like, holy shit. Those look like meaty pickles.
So we're gonna
Oh yeah.
let our pickles,
Oh yeah, just dry those bitches off. So basically, we're first gonna dunk it in the flour mixture. You're gonna throw it in that flour mixture a bit. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, just like get it all like floury up. Yeah, then basically you're gonna dunk it in that egg.
Gross.
Then you're gonna dunk her in the pancos after.
Okay.
And you know, feel free to try out your own dunking technique.
Give it some more pancos.
Holy shit.
So she's... Well, wow.
Oh yeah, and then just pop her right on there. Yeah, panko breadcrumbs, guys. Japanese style bread. I think that's what they are. Japanese style breadcrumbs.
They're the ones that they use on tempura. If y'all like shrimp tempura.
Yes. That is what you need in your life. Man, this is
All you
easy.
college students.
Yo, that's all you gotta do. Like, you just...
Yo.
People got this thing where they think that cooking at home is expensive. Honestly, it's way cheaper. Look at this, okay. Eggs. That's like probably 2 eggs, I'm saying. Well, you know, I guess 50 cents. Flour is literally like 50 cents. Pancos are literally like $1 maybe, if that. And the pickles are like $2, bro, or $3.
You can make picks for your friends. You can
Oh, and then
make
the oil,
picks-
I guess, yeah,
picks
too.
for your parents.
That's only $5 too. All right, we're gonna check the temperature of this guy. Look at these guys; they look good. So yeah, we're checking the temperature now, guys. Let's see where we're at. It's supposed to be like 190, I think, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, just watch that sizzle. So yeah, plop them in, guys, for like 3 to 4 minutes.
Look at that guy.
Kind of spin them around and stuff.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And that is a deep fried pickle. Whoa. Whoa. We're gonna plate these guys with a couple of good sauces, and then we'll meet you guys in the living room for a taste. Whoa. Yo, guys, look what we made. Holy shit. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. So we're going to go through the sauces we've chosen. So first I had to choose a classic, you know, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, basically.
Puts that shit on everything.
Yeah, basically, you got to put that shit on everything. So I decided to put it on this shit. And then also shout out to Haley and Sydney, the homies, shooting us with some awesome Chipotle sauce.
So
Bam.
blessed.
So we're using that one for this too. Also, we got some banging creamy garlic sauce, because who doesn't want that garlic in their life? You know what I'm saying?
Pizza.
Basically, which is the best garlic sauce ever.
Aside from Papa John's, we'll have a debate on that later.
Yeah. They are.
Welcome to the matching snacks.
They are 2 amazing garlic sauces. But we are going to try these out, guys. All right, guys. I'm going to go for some Chipotle.
I'm a creamy garlic fan myself.
Wow.
Holy shit.
And guys, this is so easy to make at home. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Like, man, this impresses anyone. Like,
I'm speechless.
wow.
That crunch.
Perfect crunch.
Good flavor.
Yeah. The garlic salt and the paprika is really good.
Try that garlic sauce.
I'll try the garlic. Wow.
The pickles are nice and firm and warm, but not hot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, still firm too. I like them when they're firm. They're not like too soggy and stuff.
Yeah, I find sometimes when we get them from like order-in places.
Yeah. Well, guys,
These are a fucking hit.
these are a hit. Tell us if you got a different recipe. Yeah, like a different recipe or something like that.
Or if you tried it out and how it worked for you. Like, honestly, if they didn't taste good, you did something wrong, because these are fucking amazing. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in. And tune in next week for another
Matching socks something. Welcome to the Matching
basically.
Socks page. We're changing it up. It's
Yeah, now we got new stuff coming. Hit that subscribe button though.
ring that bell.
Peace.